because we've been like waiting for this day for the longest. We've been waiting for this day from last year, April, May, when we went to Coimbatore. It was decided 20th. I can't wait to see Tanya. I mean, we've not seen each other for, I mean, it's not like we meet every day. We've not seen each other for like 4 or 5 days and all of that, a stretch, but it's been like the first time that we've been forced not to see each other. So it's also a thing of like, I can't wait to meet her, all of that put together.
टूटी चार पाही वही ठंडी पूर्वाई रास्ता देखे दूधों की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराही रास्ता देखे कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी ना धूप चुनी ना छाऊं कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी किसी ठोर टिकी ना पाऊं
बन लिया अपना पैगंबर तर लिया तू सात समंदर फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रह गया.
So Karthik and I met during a shoot where we were working together. So the first thing that I noticed about him was that he was feeding stray dogs. And since I also love dogs, I was like, there's something about this guy, I should be friends with him.
I mean, the first time, you know, like when you say hi, hello and all that, the first thing that we spoke about was about dogs.
Like he's so perfect for Tanya. So that's one blessing that you get when you are in a relationship, and if you get that blessing, that is beyond everything.
It's a beautiful journey. And there'll be a lot of different experiences, so all the best for that. Guys, the ride starts now, so have fun.
सुन मेरी रानी रानी बन मेरी रानी रानी शाहजहान मैं तेरा तेनू मुमताज बना दूंगा बन जा तू मेरी रानी तेनू महल दवा दूंगा. बदन तेरे दी खुशबू मैनू सोना देवे नी रातां नू उठ उठ के सोचा बारे तेरे नी बदन तेरे दी खुशबू मैनू सोना देवे नी रातां उठ उठ के सोचा बारे तेरे नी सुन मेरी रानी रानी बन मेरी रानी रानी हाँ कर दे तू मैनू मैं दुनिया नू हिला दूंगा बन जा तू मेरी रानी तेनू महल दवा दूंगा.
So what I really think that, I really thought that Karthik is the one that I want to marry is that it was his simplicity, his honesty, the way he is. He's very innocent and he's very, just on your face. He doesn't pretend to be somebody else. He's just, since day one when we were just friends also, like not even friends, we were like acquaintance. We didn't even know each other. Since then, he's been honest. Like if he's angry, he'll be angry about it. If he's sad, he'll be sad. He's never pretended to do anything to impress me, but he's just always been very blunt and very honest about everything. So that is something that I really liked about him, that he is so simple and so honest about, just being himself.
When two people get married, it's not always just about the two people. It's about two families getting together. It's about two families getting to know each other. And both of us come from a certain background where we don't differentiate between friends and family. More than both of us liking each other, our friends and family like each other, you know. My family liked her family, my friends liked her friends. So that whole setup from which Tanya has been brought up, has been nurtured, you know, that whole setup was my setup as well. That's the same background I come from.
It's a wonderful blessing. God has blessed Karthik with Tanya. The blessing is more on both of them to have each other as man and wife.
కార్తిక్కి టాన్యాకి పెళ్ళయింది మాకు చాలా సంతోషం. We wish both of them a very happy married life. God bless both of them.
It's been like, okay, wake up 7:30, go to the gym, go come back home, go do this, go do that, get to work. So we've been doing this in, I guess, in the different household setups, and now we are going to be doing this together, which I guess I'm quite excited about.
He really takes care of me, and he respects my family as much as he respects his family. That is, I mean, he doesn't differentiate between his parents and my parents. I mean, he just treats them really equally. That is something really nice about him, which I really, you know, look up to. Plans तो बहुत कुछ है हमारे. हम लोग, like, we had thought to do a lot of things together. As I said, like, we both love traveling, so we both have a lot of plans to go, like, to travel.
Watching Netflix together, excited about having coffees together, about trying different teas, about all of that, but together in one space.
Cooking our own food, you cooking for me, you getting me bed tea, you making coffee for me, you making me my protein shake before I go to the gym. Yeah, so basically you doing a lot of work for me, and while I be the boss of the house. So yeah, and lots of challenges will be there, but don't worry, I'll always be there with you. I love you.
So now that we're married, I hope you're ready for a life full of chocolates, mutton, good food, good prawn, good coffee, and a lot of gymming. Bye! Bye, guys! Bye! Hope you all had fun.
Pack up.
Pack up!
She's getting married and going to shift like 5 minutes from home. So yeah, we are getting a son-in-law in the house. So the best thing about Karthik is that he very organically mixed into our family. Like, it never seemed like this was a person coming into her life, and it just seemed like कि अरे ये तो हमेशा से हमारी ज़िंदगी में था. It was that kind of a feeling because the moment we first met, even the kind of jokes, inside jokes that we had and all, he was in on everything. He was always like a son, like a brother to me. The way he cares about dad, mom, even our dog Bella loves him. So it was just that kind of you just know when this person is right, and when she first made us meet, we just knew कि ये तो होने वाला है.
And one thing that I like about Tanya is her voice. I don't know why, but I really love her voice. And them together, it looks too cute actually. You know, like old school couple, like so cute and all of that. It's something to adore and all of that. So I wish Karthik and Tanya a very happy married life, and you guys have no idea how happy I am. And yeah, have fun, guys. Always love each other, always be there for each other, support each other, no matter what happens.
गोदी में खेलने वाले बच्ची जब शादी के उसमें बंधन में बंध रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. किसी भी पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत एक खुशी की बात होती है.
बहुत ही एक मिक्स्ड फीलिंग है. खुशी भी हो रही है, बहुत तकलीफ भी हो रही है. ऐसा लग रहा है अपनी कोई चीज़ किसी को दे दी है मैंने।
नहीं, कार्तिक के लिए यही मैसेज है कि तुमको एक ऐसा डायमंड दिया हूँ, अगर सहेज कर रखोगे तुम्हारा नसीब खुलेगा।
कुंवारी सासू में अब एक शादीशुदा सास आ गई है, इतना अच्छा उसका ससुर लेके आई है कि आई एम रियली रियली हैप्पी।
एंड वेलकम टू द फैमिली कार्तिक, एंड बहुत सारा तुम लोगों को प्यार। मे यू हैव अ वंडरफुल वंडरफुल लाइफ टुगेदर
एंड बेस्ट विशेस। यस,
कार्तिक में शो तो मतलब बोलते ना जेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, मतलब कि वो हमेशा सिर्फ हंसते रहते हैं। तन्नो पानी पी लो, तन्नो खाना खा लो, तन्नो ये कर लो, तन्नो वो कर लो, मतलब दोनों मेड फॉर ईच अदर हैं और बहुत प्यार है।
I will say this for Kaka, I love you so much, like so much. I cannot stop loving you, and I appreciate you every time I watch you, especially with Masi. So thank you for being the best husband for her, and you should teach him something. Look at him. I love you and welcome to the family.
Same to you.
तानिया बहुत स्पेशल है हम मेरे लिए। एक शूट पे हम साथ में लेते हैं और फिर अब दोस्ती और दोस्ती से फैमिली कब बन गए पता ही नहीं चला, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है उसके साथ। और अब उसकी खुशहाल ज़िंदगी के लिए बहुत मैं शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगी और बहुत खुश रहे, हमेशा मुस्कुराती रहे।
Hi, I'm Priyanka, better known as Pranky, and I know Karthik as long as, I don't know, about a year maybe. And Tanya I know for the last 14-15 odd years, when she's been my bestest friend. And the first day when I met Karthik, I judged him a lot. Obviously every best friend does that when they meet the other half of their best friend. And on the very first day I kind of figured out that yes, probably he is the one. They just both deserve each other. And I wish both of them the most maximum happiness in the whole wide world, and to start this new journey of their life. And all the best, guys, and love you too much, and hope to do a lot of more new things after you guys are together, and our road trips, everything, we plan it all. Bye.
Karthik and Tanya, I'm so happy that this has happened and you guys have come together. Yeah. Because you're, oh, hype man. Yeah, okay. Because you guys are incredible together. You're so cute and you complete each other in the best possible way. Yeah. So, Karthik, welcome to the family, and I wish you guys a life full of happiness and a life full of us in your new house. Yeah, we'll be crashing over, so be ready for that. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Congratulations to Pulu.
Yeah, whatever she said.
Congratulations from him too.